This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! It's our first day at school! Today! First day. I'm wearing my new school uniform. I love the cardigan.
Topsy? Topsy? Do you need my help with your uniform?
No thanks, Mummy. I don't like my new school shorts.
Tim, would you like me to help you?
Oh, no, I can dress myself, Mummy. Thanks.
Oh, good morning, Topsy. Let me have a look at you. Oh, wow, do a little tan. Oh.
I'm really excited.
Oh, good, and you look wonderful in your new uniform.
See?
You're saying, look at that.
Hi, Mummy.
Oh, Tim. You've got your sweatshirt on back to front. Should we turn it round?
Yes.
Okay, let's get your arms out. And twist round. Perfect. And then pop them back in the sleeves again.
Yay.
Perfect. Let's get your collar out. Okay, let me have it. Oh, you look the perfect schoolboy. Okay, breakfast time, twins. Sit down at the table for me.
I'm hungry. So am I.
Here we go. Oh, actually, maybe I should do the milk today so that you don't spill any milk on your new school uniforms.
Thank you, Mummy.
There you go.
Have you got a message, Mummy?
Yes, it's from Grandma.
What does it say?
It says, hello, Topsy and Tim. Have a lovely day at your big school. Love you lots, both of you. And sending you a big hug or Grandma. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Oh, please can we take a picture of us in our school uniforms? And then we send it to Grandma?
That is a great idea, Topsy, especially as you've been so careful at keeping your uniforms clean. OK, so ready? 1, 2, 3, say big school.
Big school!
Oh, lovely, thank you. I think they'll send that to Dad too.
Yeah, send it to Dad. We like it.
You know, Topsy and Tim, Dad's really sorry that he's had to go to work earlier and that he'll be missing walking you to school on your first day. You carry on eating up, though.
After breakfast, we go up to the bathroom to brush our teeth. Oops, Mummy!
Yes? Oh, no, Topsy, not on your new uniform. Oh, dear.
At least it's only a little bit of toothpaste.
Yeah, you're right. It could have been much worse. Let's get that off. It's coming off fine. Here we go.
Oh, Mummy, look!
Oh, Tim.
That's a really big bit.
That's much worse. Here's your last shoe, Topsy.
Thanks, Mummy. It's nearly time to go. I love my new school shoes.
Oh, good.
I love my new book bag. Me too. I'll race you to the bags. I win.
Well done. Well, perfect.
I'm ready for school. Who's that?
What's that?
Dad!
I made it in time! Oh, I couldn't miss your first day at school, could I, Topsy and Tim?
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, and when Mummy sent me your photo, you look so smart in your school uniforms.
I dashed back home from work.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Come on then, let's all go to school together.
Are you ready, Topsy and Tim?
Yes! Yeah. Topsy, I feel a little bit funny in my tummy. But Tim, we've got that promise to keep, remember? Oh yes, I'm excited about our promise.
Come on then, off we go.
Come on, Topsy. We promised our friend Mr. Rosen that we'll wave to him every day on our walk to school. Now we're off to keep our promise. Hello.
Bye, Topsy and Tim.
Enjoy your first day at school.
Thank you. Thank you, we will.
Come here.
Hi, Topsy and Tim. Are you riding your bikes to school? No, we're walking. So we can wave to our friend Mr. Rosen on the footbridge. We promised. Okay.
Come on.
See you at school, Josie. This is it. We're on our way to big school. Wait.
22, 23, 24.
We count the steps up to the top of the footbridge.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
Yay! And we watch a train going underneath. Look at that one. Whoa. Look, so many carriages. Whoa. Then we point out Mr. Rosen's window to Dad. That's his window. Look, there, Dad. He's not there. Do you think he's forgotten about our promise?
Well, maybe Mr. Rosen just hasn't got out of bed yet.
But he promised. Mr. Rosen did promise. He is there! Look! Look, he's there! Hello, Mr. Rosen! Hello, Mr. Rosen! Mr. Rosen's not in his wheelchair anymore. Look, he's doing a dance around. I'm ready to go to school now.
Hey.
So am I. When we get to the school gates, we see lots of children. Some of our friends from nursery are there. Andy Anderson! Oh, and Steve Dunton! Hey. Hello, Andy Anderson. Hi, Topsy. Hi, Oh, I love your school uniform. I love yours too. We already have lots of friends at our new school. Hi, Kerry.
Welcome, everyone. Now, once I ring this bell, I would like you to say goodbye to whoever brought you to school today and walk nicely into the classroom. It's time to begin your first day at Hatcham Primary School. Are we all ready?
Yes! Have a lovely day.
Be good for Miss Terry.
We will. I'll miss you today, Mummy. Bye, Dad. Bye, Mummy.
Now listen, Dad and I will be waiting right here, Topsy and Tim, for the end of the school day.
And we want to hear all about it.
Now, go on, you go and have fun at big school, my twin-tastic Topsy and twin-tabulous Tim.
We will. I love you, Mummy. Love you, Mummy. Love you, Dad.
Love you both too.
Off you go, Topsy.
This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today was our first day at big school. Can you remember the colour of our new school book bags? Were they blue? Or were they red? The answer is behind the jigsaw pieces. Look, the answer is blue. Watch this.
Here's your last shoe, Topsy.
It's nearly time to go. I love my new school shoes.
Oh, good.
I love my new book bag. Me too. I'll race you to the bags. Oh, okay. I win.
Well done. No, perfect.
I'm ready for school. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play.